Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 19th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla up $23.86. That's good for 2.38%. Closed at $10.28.15. Post-market, we are done by $10.15. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. We had broken outside of this downward resistance here. This happened on Monday. And now we are going higher. So we broke 10.23.11. So this is interesting because we had a hard time breaking that number for the past 5 days. 5 days approximately. This is now green and this is also now green. So we broke 10.23.11. So this is nice. Then we should not forget that we have this resistance right here, this second channel resistance, this first channel resistance right here. So whoa, we are coming right next to this resistance right here. Just need to take this into account, but we definitely made a higher high and a higher low. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how this happened. So nice green candle during the day and we came very close to that 10.23.11 on the first hour. Then we broke it on the second hour, then caved in a little bit, third hour, caved in some more, came back underneath, stayed underneath, and now we seem to be able to staying above. So we are above right here. So hopefully tomorrow this is going to continue. I don't know about this post-market thing. I cannot tell you what this is about. Sometimes there's a reversal between what we see post-market and what is happening the next day. So in terms of indicators, so stochastic is going sideways. So we are at 49. So not quite the 60 that we like to have. MACD crossover bearish. DMI is going back up a little bit. It's over 50. So we like to see this, and DMI is still good. So we broke 10.23. This is nice. So let's hope that we are going to be able to break the first channel resistance. And basically, let's hope that Tesla is going to have a good earnings call and that people interpret things the right way so that investors are ready to invest back into Tesla. Let's go briefly look at the VIX. So VIX is coming down a little bit today. So red candle today, so this is always nice to see. If we look at Dow Jones was within this downward channel right here. Tried to break it 2 days ago, could not, but now look at this big green candle. This is a very strong move. Let's see if the same thing is happening for Standard & Poor's. Yeah, nice green candle here. Nasdaq also. And Nasdaq 100 also. So this is a nice move. Stochastic is still in the tank. It's always nice to see that at least we have broken for some indices, some downward trends. So happy to see this. So this is going to help Tesla also. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.